Morning everyone, what are we doing today? Well, we've got a repair job to do. I'll show you. So, gate latch, not this one, but one very similar. Hello boys. Right, now this on mine is a common garden circular handled gate latch, and I've built that part because it broke, and I have a similar gate latch in a friend's garden, and they have a much thicker door like that, and the gate latch in between that section and that section has a bar going through, a square bar, and the bar's not quite long enough, and it keeps coming out of its socket on one side. So my task is to somehow make it work. So I'm thinking I might put a longer bar in there. Let's see what we can do. So here's the other gate latch from a friend's garden fence or garden gate, and it's not. That bar isn't quite long enough. You can see, don't know whether you can see, it was only going in that far into this section there, and it just kept coming out, even though the surrounding bracket was screwed in as tight as it would go. Oh, I just noticed something else actually. Yeah, that part there is broken, so that's why it kept slipping out. So it definitely wants to be another centimetre in length, I would think. Let's see what I can find. So what the issue is with this gate latch, not only is there a piece broken away from there, but it's going through rather a thick door or a thick gate, and when that's a connecting bar is in there, it's just a little bit too short. So what I've had to do is order another piece of bar, and I'm going to cut a piece off of this, but I'm going to make it just a little bit longer, like that. So there we are. I've cut a piece off in the vise there, and I'm just going to smooth the corners off, because that's how the original one is. It's got like chamfered corners on it. I suppose it's just to make it so that it fits. It's quite a snug fit. Very nice fit actually. Okay, so we're going to try that anyway. So to go with the mechanism, I've also made that out of a old bit of metal, because there isn't one there. So this is going to fit on there. I know it's odd colours, but it's been used for other things, so we're going to use it again. A bit of repurposing, and that'll keep everything in place. So I've just arrived on site where we're going to fit the gate latch. So this is it. It's quite a thick door. as you can see. So I'm also going to take these screws out there and fit the little bracket that should keep the latch in place. See how we get on. So we have one side screwed on, and I think hopefully now there's enough sticking through to connect that onto, which will obviously gonna go in there like that. Okay, so the side is operating. Seems to be working okay, and we're going to fit that part to it there to keep it in the right spot. So yeah, it seems to work okay. Opens up. It's not a perfect fit because there is a bit of play in the lock. Yeah, I think that's okay. Opens up easy. That'll do. Job's a good one. We'll see you in the next video.